Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Dodge Journey, and on this Dodge Journey we're going to go over how you replace the dome light. Now this is the dome light that's in the back seat compartment. There's an identical one that's in the second row of back seats, and that replaces exactly the same. So we have a little indent right here, and all you're going to do is take a small screwdriver or a non-marring tool, and you're just going to pop it up in there to be able to get it to pop down. Now it will hang up there, the cover, and then you'll just be able to take the light and pull the light itself out to be able to replace it. Now this light is a 2122, and so you would get a new 2122 to replace, and then you'll just push it up in, lock it in, and then be able to take this and press until it clips in. And so that's how you would replace your dome light on your 2016 Dodge Journey. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.